So my girlfriend gets annoyed when I say speak. Koopa. Koopa, speak. Koopa, speak. She's gonna get pissed at me about 2 things. I see it in her eye. She's gonna be like, ooh, I smack the shit out of you. Koopa, speak. He's too busy looking at himself. Koopa, speak. Good boy. Go lay down. If you say it to Dakota, she won't. Dakota, speak. Dakota, speak. See, she don't know what that means. She's like, I'm eating my donut. I'm eating my donut. Huh. I'm too busy eating my donut. I don't care about speaking. I'm too busy eating my donut. Huh. A Koopa. You big speaker. Ready? Koopa. Speak. Oh, really? Cooper, 1, 2, 3. Cooper. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Cooper. Hey. Cooper. Cooper. You gonna speak? Speak. she chumps so she thinks I'm talking to her. Speak. Alright, good boy. I'm gonna get you in trouble, huh? It's not nice. It's not nice to say speak and then tell me to shut up. It's not nice. That's what he's saying. Why did I just give myself that weird accent? I have no idea, but hopefully. Koopa. Coda. Koopa. Coda. Koopa. Coda. Koopa. Coda. Give me my donut. Give me my donut. Give me. They won't bite me. See? Yeah, they won't bite me. Yeah, you won't bite me. Yeah, you guys won't bite me. Yeah, you guys won't bite me. Yeah, you guys won't bite me. You won't bite me. Come on, bite. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, come here. Give me that donut. Give me that donut. Give me that donut. Give me. Give me. Who are you doing? Who are you doing? Really? You got me. You got me. You got me. Koopa. Hey. Don't wreck these New Balance. Look at you scratching my New Balance. Just kidding. At least they're not Jordans, right?